Hello, my name is Jonathan Parker. I'm a training and equipment specialist for Dentsply Sirona. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox and use your GUTTA cordless obturation device. When you open up the box, the first thing that you're going to notice are a couple pieces of literature. We have a getting started guide, and we also have the directions for use. Below that, we have the cordless pack and the cordless flow hand pieces. And below that, we have the rest of the stuff. We have the charging station. Now, a nice thing about the charging station is it knows whether the pack or flow is on the left or right side, so you can change them back and forth as you see fit. You also have 3 electric heat pluggers that come with the system. We have 2 packs of 10 of cannulas of GUTTA. This is the Conformfit GUTTA. They come in 20 and 23 gauge in the kit, and you can get 25 gauge from the manufacturer. We also have the heating element. Now this is an important piece, I'll come back to that. And we have the needle bender to bend the cannulas. We have the cord to plug it into the wall. And then of course we have all the different adapters for the different parts of the world. This is a global product. And the last thing I want to call out are the cleaning caps. This is the cleaning cap for the pack, and this is the cleaning cap for the flow. And that is everything that comes inside of the box. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the GUTTA cordless obturation device. First thing, we're going to plug it into the wall, so go ahead and do that. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the plugger of our choice, and I'm going to take the black plugger in this instance. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to press fit it on to the Calamus pack. I'm then going to take a cannula of GUTTA. I'm going to open up the cannula. I'm going to take the heating element. I'm going to drop the cannula into the back of the heating element, and then take the heating element and I'm going to screw it onto the flow. I'm then going to take the bending tool and I'm going to bend the needle in the direction that I would like to bend it. And that is how you set up the GUTTA cordless obturation device. First, the hand pieces. In the pack hand piece, all 3 electric heat pluggers are annealed stainless steel, which means that they're very flexible and easy to bend. There's also a 360-degree activation cuff, and you'll notice that there's a ridge right here. And when I press down on this ridge, that is how I activate it. You can actually see the blue light turn on to tell you that it's being activated. You'll see right here that we have a Bluetooth symbol. Currently, the Bluetooth is not available. It's going to be available in 2019. However, when the app comes out in 2019, your current unit will hook up to the app automatically. You'll also notice a battery indicator right here. It displays green when the battery is full and red when the battery is low. And then finally, on the bottom of the handpiece, this very bottom button is actually the on and off button. Now, the other component is the flow handpiece. The device here on the very top is the all-important heating element. The system won't work without this, so make sure and treat it with care. The heating element is also well insulated, so it's designed to protect the patient from getting their lip burned. This unit also has the 360-degree activation cuff with the accompanying ridge right here. Once again, as I press this, the blue light comes on showing that it's being activated. Here you will see the GUTTA level indicator and the heating status indicator. When the indicator is flashing, it means that the unit is heating up. The unit will not express GUTTA until the white light becomes solid. This unit also has the Bluetooth capability, which will be available to hook up to the app in 2019 and connect this GUTTA Smart device to the IQ platform. Here you will see the battery indicator light, and the on-off button, just like on the other handpiece, is located on the bottom of the device. So let's talk about the base unit for the cordless obturation device. This arrow right here lets you know which side of the obturation device you're actually making adjustments to. In this instance, you can see it's pointing at the pack, and the temperature for the pack is 160 degrees and the audio level is 60%. If you want to change either of these numbers, you simply touch the number and then make the adjustment up or down as you see fit. Touching anywhere on the base is going to bring you back to the home screen. The base right now shows that we have full battery power on the pack side and almost full battery power on the flow side. The indicator here at the bottom shows that the pack and the flow are installed and working correctly. These are currently the correct symbols. However, if you see an X, that means that something is not installed properly. Now let's talk about the flow side. If I simply touch the right hand to the corner, I can see that it's 160 degrees and a 60% flow rate. If I want to adjust my flow rate up and down, I simply hit the flow rate and adjust it up and down in 20% increments. If I want to adjust the temperature, I can adjust it down from 160 degrees, but I cannot adjust it up above 160 degrees. The gutta percha was designed to work optimally within the range of 130 to 160 degrees, and that is the range that this unit offers. Now on the flow side, a gutta percha indicator tells you how much gutta percha is left in the cannula. Your base will also automatically recognize which side the pack and flow handpieces are on, so you do not have to always keep one on either side. You'll notice that if I switch these two positions, that the base unit actually recognizes which is on which side and has the appropriate settings. A note about the battery. The battery in the cordless obturation device is not a standard lithium-ion battery. Rather, it's called a lithium iron phosphate battery. If you look more up on these types of batteries, you'll find that they're known for their long life and for their improved safety. We think that this will serve you very well in your practice. Let's talk a bit more about GuttaSmart's Gutta Percha Conformfit cones. First of all, the gutta percha that is found inside the cannulas is the same gutta percha that we use in our Conformfit cones for ProTaper Gold, ProTaper Next, ProTaper Universal, and of course Wave 1 Gold. The Conformfit gutta percha allows heat to transfer ahead of the gutta percha point up to 4 millimeters. You're also going to notice a better 3D fill. GuttaSmart is all about portability and freedom of movement. These ergonomic handpieces are going to allow you to move around the operatory with ease. Another positive aspect of these units is their solid design. What you're going to notice is that there is not an ingress in here for liquids to seep into. And because the unit is one solid piece, it makes it much more durable and less likely to break if it's dropped. Thank you for purchasing the GuttaSmart cordless operator.